What is up, guys? We are back for, this is day 3, right? Day 3 of baking with the class. So yesterday we made, these are the assortments of breads that were made. Today we are making a non-yeast bread. In this, we got a cup of sour cream. Doesn't look too yummy. Not a fan of sour cream, whatevs. And then this one, we got 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So this, what we're going to do, we're going to pop it in here. So that, just to give it a little mix. And then we'll take all this cream cheese, or sour cream, and we'll just plop it in. We're going to just start mixing until it kind of forms a dough. And we'll be back when the dough starts to form. Alright, so got the dough formed. Got it into the bowl. Now, pretty much that's all we gotta do today. So we're gonna take a little bit of saran wrap. We'll spray a little bit of this cooking spray so when the dough rises and touch, it doesn't stick really bad. And we'll pop it in the fridge, and then tomorrow we'll be back. We'll let it sit out for about an hour before we cook it. What the heck is up, guys? We are back on day 4 of cooking, and this is day 2 of the non-yeast pretzel. So, as you can see here, we got the dough out, and Lizzie was kneading it. She got nice and massaged. And then also here, we got 2 tablespoons of baking soda in with a pot of water. There was about 3 cups in it, and we got that boiling. What we're going to do is we're going to be making pretzel balls, put them on the sheet, and then we'll put them in here for about 20-30 seconds, and we'll pop them back on here. And we'll show you the first couple, and then after that, then we will probably cut the cams and finish them. I'm going to grab a little bit of this dough here. So we got that. And boom, just like that, we got a little pretzel ball. And we'll pop it right there. We'll finish making these, and then we'll be back. All right, we are back. And we've got our little pretzel balls formed. So they're just the little dough. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be popping it right in this ladle. I'm going to dip it in like that for about 30 seconds. We're about 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
It's basically
yep.
you're going the way to,
and then we're gonna just do that and pop it right back on. And we'll repeat that step with the rest of them. So I'll get you back right before we pop them in the oven. We are back. We have boiled all of our pretzels. As you can see, they looking doughy. I believe doughy. Yeah, doughy. Now what we are going to do is we took 1 egg, cracked it, put it in this bowl, mixed it up, and now we're just going to apply a nice egg wash to the bowl, or the pretzels. So we'll just brush around the egg, make it nice. And this helps the egg, or the egg creates that iconic crust to the pretzel that gives it that nice dark brown look. We'll probably just put it into a montage of us doing this, and then we'll be back when it's time to put on some salt. Alright, so as you can see, you got a little montage of Lizzie doing that. So now what we're going to do is pretty much we're just going to take the salt, sprinkle a little salt. Ooh, that was a lot. Sprinkle a little salt, sprinkle a little salt. So this will add a little bit of flavor to it. Alright, so here my group wanted some cinnamon sugar. Just sprinkle that on there. Now we just kind of got to wait for this oven to preheat, and then we'll probably pick it back up when these are ready to pop in the oven. What's up? We're back. Ready to pop these in the oven. So we're going to open this up, take these, and we're going to slide them in. And we're set a 15-minute timer, and we'll check back in when the 15 minutes are up. Voila! And the pretzels have been made. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to take one thing, give it another dusting, and bang, finished product. So, unfortunately, this video will be coming to an end now. So we may be making more in the future, but just in case, you might want to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when we post another one. See you guys later.